trucks, which are yellow. Yes. Let's get in.
It'd be better to get a shot of the siren.
No,
Good, check it out.
I haven't been inside this thing since it was at the Mega Show a couple years ago.
You've been inside this?
Yeah.
It's so smelly thing.
No, it's literally brand new with that.
Oh yeah, they got a fire. They had a fire the other day, so it smells like smoke in here.
Yeah.
Yeah, I could tell.
I like that smell. No, I actually do like it.
Bro,
How would it feel if I told you I had a Middle Island patch on me right now?
dude,
Epic.
you remember when we were just goofing around at Ridge?
Can you get
Yep.
those patches?
And what's the video?
I don't know. Oh hey,
Hi.
here's Lucas.
Hey,
Yep. Here's
Here's
Lucas.
Wayne.
And here's Mason. And
Here's
here's
Mason.
Wayne.
Mason.
You know, here's Lucas. Remember the last time we were goofing around on the rescue truck?
Yeah.
Bro, that was hilarious. We were laughing about every single germ on the
here
floor.
now.
Bro,
Yeah, I think.
literally
That makes
me.
me proud. How to make a guy like me proud?
Oh, that's the Easter Bunny. That's the Easter Bunny.
Ow.
Oh hell no. Oh hell no!
Oh my.
You know who's in there?
A person.
Yeah. I know. I
course.
don't even want to
You
get
guys want
out.
to go check out upstairs and everything?
Oh,
Not
sure.
right now.
No?
We're goofing around.
All right.
Yeah.
Let me know when you're ready,
Yeah,
okay?
Yeah, we'll let you know when we're done goofing around.
All right. I'm going to go check on them inside. I'll be back.
Okay.
They were putting up the siren.
Alright guys, we're just gonna goof around on 18 for a bit.
Yep.
Yeah.
I'm waiting until we get the new list of Middle Island 3D22
Are you
X.
running any other trucks too?
Who dying?
Ads are annoying.
Yeah,
Of course, I
Are you
agree.
playing the song?
I'm playing a song.
Guys. Let's go on
Oh.
6.
I'm just gonna walk around and play this Thunderbolt.
Oh yes.
No, that's not a good song. Kitties.
Yeah, I agree.
Attracting siren kitties is not a good thing.
Yeah.
I used to be a kitty, but I realized
And I haven't been not at all.
I want to press the pedal.
No, you can't. I know, you're so tempted to press that thing.
Is that even gonna work?
Yeah, it'll make the siren. Yeah. Here, bro, come look at this.
What? QTV? I still think sirens are humans. A lot of people still think sirens are human beings. Roll down windows. Yes.
We will. Yes, they are, apparently.
See, I know how to use a roll down window. I told you.
Ow!
Oh, yeah, watch your head, by the way.
Yeah, I hit my head on this thing. I'm an idiot.
Fierce.
What are these?
Those are distress signals. The newer super fast devices.
Oh, the pass alarms.
Yeah, they're loud as heck.
Yeah.
When I heard them at the Mount Sinai fire the whole time, and I'm like, shut up.
Just head into a fire if anybody's out there.
What if the chief heard you and you were like, oh, okay, I'll drive you up there.
Do you know where the siren controls are?
Probably in the fire alarm control panel room.
Enjoy Corum.
Engine 6.
Oh, yeah.
Enjoy Shorem. Enjoy. You know what? I got a better song that sucks even more.
Oh,
Oh,
God.
no,
Nope.
no,
Oh, that
no,
one.
And that's how you get Wayne out of the truck.
no.
You want to play
And that's how you get Wayne and that's how you get a Wayne and a Lucas out of the truck, guys.
That's how you get. This is.
Oh, and this is how you drink a Gatorade.
If you threaten Wayne that you're gonna play the Thunderbolt song, he will walk out.
This is how you drink Gatorade, kids. I choked on it. I choked on my own Gatorade.
Okay.
All right, let's go for round.
Yes, let's do it again.
Is this the truck you were just in? Spicy ending.
We're here at apartment.
That's what the last time I thought.
Where did they keep the other antique?
Can I sit on top of this bed?
I wouldn't, because then they would have to change it, the sheets on it. In
Wow.
Russian voice.
Can you
Don't
take me
get
the World
into the
Trade-
sheets.
Nah, it's okay. Nah, it's not a good joke.
No! Wayne, I swear.
Ow! Why am I hurting myself so much
I don't
today?
know.
Yeah,
Ow.
can you take me to the World Trade Center?
Don't make that joke.
Yeah,
My
please.
dad was there.
Yeah, no, I did.
Same.
That's what I said. That's a bad joke.
Yeah.
And after I said that, I said it's a bad joke.
Bro. You know? Dude, this is one of my
Like, you know where they keep the other antique?
What's when I
engine?
touch your squiggly wiggly head?
It's the American.
I shut my camera off just in time for that. Oh, yes, I have fire alarms to show you guys.
Well, let's see.
I have my siren housing to show you guys.
Yeah, it's in the.
Go with
Yep, it's in the
it.
trunk.
And you guys were just filming me being an idiot.
Oh yeah, that's film.
I've been filming this whole time.
Exactly.
Don't film on my phone because it has a lot more storage. This is a beautiful.
Yes.
Generators.
Wow.
Yeah.
The rails.
And a dirty thing.
54. It's 54.
Yeah. It's almost that time.
What is that?
Wait, hold on.
In the back.
But hold on.
And-
Dude, it hit the truck. I heard that.
Hold on. I thought this joke.
Wait, guys, come here. Come on, guys. Get ready. We're going to film the siren.
Oh yeah. All right.
I'm gonna stay inside if it comes up. It's a random cat that we just saw.
Yep. She's adorable.
So friendly.
Like Marshmallow.
Reminds me of it,
Yeah.
but more
Me
active.
too. I agree. Adorable.
Friendly.
Yep. There you go.
This is the most random encounter I've ever.